In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance and perfect your vocal recordings using Suno AI on Chrome. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to refine their vocal projects and achieve a studio-quality sound from the comfort of their own computer. We'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that every tweak and adjustment brings you closer to the polished sound you desire. First, ensure you've opened Suno AI on your Chrome browser and have successfully logged into your account. If you're new here, and setting up an account is relatively straightforward. Just hop over to the sign up page, follow the prompts, and you'll be ready to dive into your projects. Once you're logged in, it's time to load the project that you want to work on. Specifically, a project that you know has some vocal issues that need addressing. Open it by selecting it from your project list. Now that the project is open, it's time to delve into the editing tools that Suno AI offers. This is where the real magic happens. You'll want to focus on the vocal editing tools, which are designed to help you make precise adjustments to the pitch, tone, and timing of your recordings. This step is crucial, as it allows you to correct any deviations or inconsistencies that may have occurred during your initial recording session. Take your time here. Making subtle adjustments can often lead to the most natural and effective results. Next, consider applying noise reduction or vocal effects. These additional tools can drastically improve the quality of your track. Noise reduction is particularly useful for eliminating background sounds that might detract from the clarity of your vocals. Additionally, vocal effects can add depth and character if that's the style you're aiming for. However, be cautious not to overdo it, since subtlety is often key to a professional sounding track. Once you've made your initial changes, preview the adjustments you've made, listen carefully, and be on the lookout for any areas that might still need a touch-up. If you're not completely satisfied, don't hesitate to make further refinements. This process may take some time and patience, but it's worth it to ensure you reach the highest quality possible. Repeat these adjustments as needed until you are happy with the outcome. Finally, when you're confident with the edits you've made and your track sounds just right, it's time to save the corrected vocal track. Make sure to save your work in a format that suits your needs, whether that's MP3, WAV, or another type. Saving it correctly ensures that you are not at risk of losing your precious work. And there you have it. With these simple yet powerful tools on Suno AI, you've gone through the entire process of enhancing and perfecting your vocal recordings. Hopefully this guide has been helpful and you'll be feeling more confident about working with your audio projects in the future. Thank you for tuning in, and happy editing.